Welcome back or welcome to Cardi Made It. So today is going to be a little quick tutorial and also the start of my new Cricut beginner series. So I just want to help people who may not understand how to do certain things. I just want to make this whole process of having a Cricut and trying to create projects, I just want to make it a little bit simpler. So yeah, watch my video and hopefully I can teach you something. So today I would like to show you all how to download fonts off of Dafont.com. Basically what you're going to do, make sure you have Design Space closed. If you download this font and you have Design Space open, it's not going to show up. You won't see it until you close Design Space out and after you downloaded the font. Alright, so I want Samantha. This is Samantha right here. It's free for personal use. So I'm not supposed to technically use this on anything I'm selling. So you go to download and you'll click on this. It'll either say true type font file or open. I forgot what the other. It say open type. It'll say something about open, but it's either gonna be this one or that one. Sometimes it's both. I usually click on true type. After you click on it, you'll hit install. And then you can close it out. So that was Samantha. And then let me see if I can find something that's 100% free and cute. Also, a good way to decide if you're going to like a font is to go ahead and utilize this preview box. You can type whatever you want in there. So I put my name, Cardi Made It. I want to show 100 fonts, not 200 fonts at a time. And you can change the size. You want medium, large, small. And you can have it sorted by popularity, the name, or if it's just been placed on the website. So after you type in what you want to see in the preview box, you just hit submit. And now you can see exactly what you want written and what it's supposed to look like. So I think this is really cute. Alright, so I will go to download. And once I download, it just pops up automatically for me. Sometimes it'll come up at the bottom of the screen if it doesn't pop up automatically and you'll have to click on it. I think it did that when I was using the laptop. So yeah, after you hit download, it is now downloaded onto your computer. You will go to click on the one that says true type font file. I double click and hit install. And now it is on your computer. Alright, so now you want to see if it actually is on Design Space. So now you go and open Design Space up. It will be downloading an update now of all times. Alright, so once you open a new project in Cricut and you add text, I'll put my name, of course. You'll hit the drop down arrow and you'll go to system. And you can just to shortcut all of this, you go to search fonts and you start typing in the name of what you just downloaded. And boom, you don't even have to type in the whole word. So there it is. And if you know, and with Design Space, of course, your cursive letters are not going to come already put together. You have to move it. I do have a tutorial on this. If you need an updated one, let me know. Let me make sure both of them made it. Samantha. What was the other one? Valen something. Yeah, hello, Valentika. Alright, and that's that. So yeah, both of my fonts were downloaded and are in Design Space. And that's just really how simple it is. Comment down below if I have been helpful to you. And thank you so much for watching, and let me know what other videos you would like to see. Bye.